Hello everybody, welcome to Tamilchef. In this video, we're gonna see an unique dosa recipe which is very famous in Karnataka. It's Neer Dosa recipe. It looks like a bit complicated recipe, but believe me, it's a super easy recipe and it can be made effortlessly at your home. New to our channel, please consider subscribing and click the notification icon so that my recipe will reach you on time. For batter making, we need 1 cup of Sona Masuri rice, that is Sona Masuri raw rice. Even you can use basmati rice or any other raw rice which is available near to you. So wash the rice multiple times and soak for overnight. But please make sure you have added enough water for soaking, because at the morning you can see now it's perfectly soaked and ready for grinding. So let's get started grinding the batter. Use the mixer grinder with a bigger jar which is available with you, so that we can able to grind the batter without any overflow. So add the rice into the mixer jar, then half a cup of boiled rice, that is cooked boiled rice, half a cup, and quarter cup of grated coconuts. Make sure you have removed the hard dark skin of the coconuts. Now you can add a little water and start grinding the batter. We should not add enough water at the first time. We should add little by little water and grinding the batter. The reason we are adding little by little, because if we add enough water at the first time, the rice will not grind properly. It will be more coarse. The texture will not be very smooth. We need a very smooth, milky texture of the batter so that we can make a soft and fluffy Neer Dosa with the batter. For this dosa, you can try my veg stew recipe. The link will be given in the I button and the description. Look at the batter now, it's ready. I have not grinded more than 3 minutes, but I have grinded into very smooth milky paste. So let's transfer this batter into a bowl and dilute with enough water. The consistency will be thicker than milk and thinner than a dosa batter. Also, this dosa will be very good with kori gassi, which is a chicken kurk style recipe. If you want that recipe, post your comment so that I can know your interest. You can add a teaspoon of salt and then again adjust the consistency with enough water. I have used the water from the mixer jar, rinsing couple of times, and adjusted the consistency like thicker than milk and thinner than dosa batter. Once you started making the dosa, you can able to adjust accordingly. However, the dosa will be nice and thin. You can get an idea of it. I suggest to use the non-stick pan. Make sure the pan is nicely cleaned and seasoned. So let's start making the dosa. Pour almost quarter cup of dosa batter into the tawa. Then you can spread the batter like similarly how we make the crepes. We are not going to flip the dosa and cook on the other side, so make sure you cook the dosa one side with the medium to high flame. You can look at the dosa now, it's perfectly cooked. You will not find any color changes. So similar way you can make the dosas and spread the dosa in a plate using any banana leaf or parchment paper underneath the dosa, since it will not get stick. Once the dosa got cooled down, you can flip the dosa or you can fold the dosa like your way you want to fold and store it. So now you can see I have just folded the dosa in such a way it can be taken out easily and served at the meal time. So this is the super healthy and easy dosa recipe you can make at your home effortlessly, and believe me, the taste of this dosa will be delicious. You can finish even 5 to 6 dosas with any of the veg or non-veg accompaniments available readily at your home. Give a try to this recipe and share your feedback in my comment section. Please do consider subscribing my channel and share this recipe with your friends who love to make dosa at their home. This is Chef Naresh signing off. A very fun cooking.